how to check followers on private Instagram account. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can check followers on private Insta account. Well, first things first, on Instagram, if someone has set their account to private, then you won't be able to view anything that they have posted or that they are following or such, right? For example, you can see this account is private here. If I try to view the following or followers, I'm unable to look anything details here. So how you can check? Now the only way to bypass this is to either you can create a dummy account and then you can head over to their profile and you can send them a follow request. Now if you have a fake profile, if you don't want to create or if you don't want to follow them through your main ID, you can always create a fake ID or dummy account, so I'll call, and you can send them a follow request, and once they have accepted it, you can view their profile and their followers and such. However, if you do not want to do that, or if you want to follow them from your main ID, you can do that as well. But other than that, there is no any other option. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.